Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious Christmas fruit cake. I hope you like it. Merry Christmas in advance, but please stay tuned. It's time to bake. First, I'm going to start with my homemade caramel by adding 80-gram granulated sugar in a pot and then just a tablespoon of water to it and gently caramel this until you have that beautiful dark brown. While doing this, please, you really want to go on a medium-low heat to allow this to gently caramel. If not, it's going to get burnt and your caramel will taste bitter. After you achieved a nice beautiful color, I'm going to add some liquid, half cup of liquid, and then set aside to let it cool down. Next is to soak all my dry fruit. This process was done a day before baking my cake, which is 24 hours before baking your cake. You want to soak your fruits. So I added all the dry fruit in a jar. If any of those fruits are too big, you can give it a cut just to have the small size. So I added some orange seeds, some lemon seeds. I added fresh grated nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, vanilla bonbon. I added rum, dark rum, and also some fresh pressed orange juice. Next to add in is my set aside caramel that we just prepared, caramel syrup. Add it and give it a good mix to combine all this together. If you are new on my channel, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Please, all the ingredients for this recipe is listed out in the description box. During this soaking time, I had to shake this jar 2 to 3 times. The third step is our butter mixture. So introduce your room temperature butter and granulated sugar. Beat until it's little white and fluffy. I often use a spatula to scrape around my bowl to make sure it's all well combined. See this beautiful fluffy little white color cream that we have. If you are done with this, drop in your egg one after the other and continue to beat for a short time. "24 hours later, this is what my fruit looks like. It has almost soaked all the liquid inside. It's really tasting amazing right now. So I am going to use just 600 grams of this soaked fruit. Look at those juice inside. It tastes more than you can imagine, guys. I have small liquid in here, small juice. It's just fine. We need it in our cake. So I'm going to add step by step and then mix it. Do not worry about the texture right now. It's going to be well combined. And then the fourth step, I added some baking powder and salt to my flour and then sieve it gently on my butterfruit mixture. Use a spatula to scrape around your bowl just to combine everything very well. Introduce the last fruit and flour and continue to mix. You can as well use a mixer to do this step on a low speed. For some crunch, we are going to be adding all together 120-gram chopped almonds, walnut, and pistachio. Now that our Christmas fruit cake is ready to be baked, I am going to spread a parchment paper on my baking sheet. This will prevent it from sticking nor taking too much heat. Use a spatula to make sure it's all well spread. At this time, my oven has been preheated, so I am going to bake on an 150 degrees C for 1 hour 15 minutes. So you see, Christmas cake can be baked very fast. It's so moist and it tasted fantastic. After about 1 hour 15 minutes, our cake is ready. At this time, it depends on how you want your flavor to be. You can use any rum or gin to brush on top of this cake, but I am just going to decorate with some icing sugar and other Christmas decoration. This cake was amazing a day after. I really enjoyed it a day after, so you can enjoy this cake days or weeks after baking. I decorated with some homemade caramel chips. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I have other super recipe that you might love to see. Seafood pan from last week, please check it out, you will like it. I want to say thank you so much to those who usually share my video. I appreciate you all so much. Look at this, guys. Is this cake not looking amazing? It's so tasty. Merry Christmas in advance, and I hope you all enjoy this season. Thank you for always being there for me. Don't forget to like and leave your comment down below. See you in my next one. Bye for now.